What is off-site SEO? Off-site SEO, often called off-page SEO, refers to actions taken outside of your own website to impact your rankings within search engine results pages, or SERPs. Optimizing for off-site ranking involves improving search engine and user perception of a site's popularity, relevance, trustworthiness, and authority. This is accomplished by other reputable places on the internet, pages, sites, people, etc., linking or promoting your website and effectively vouching for the quality of your content. That's all I have to say for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and goodbye.